Bend the nail at 2 angles, combine it with a straight one, and insert them as a nozzle on a screwdriver. Look at what smooth holes they make. Cut off the teeth of the old wire cutters. Trim them and make a small notch. Now they're perfect for snaking the wire. Using a steel angle, we attach the grinder to the table and turn it into a grinding machine. We'll sharpen the polished bolt a little more, cut off the gap, and insert it into the screwdriver. The drill turned out so-so. Fortunately, the grinder quickly removes all of the ugly traces behind it, and the steel is as new. Holding the pliers, we'll wind one wire onto the other this way. First on one side and then on the other. Remove the pliers and get the extremely reliable fastening. To remove all of the dog's fur and trunk, leave the included tool there, and its vibrations will help vacuum everything. Let's get the blade out of the jigsaw. Let's try it on the table. Make 3 throughout holes in the table. We'll continue to disassemble the jigsaw and then attach it under the table with screws. And we got such a useful homemade machine. Take a small piece of plastic pipe, make a notch in it, clean it from excess, insert a sheet of sandpaper inside, screw it over the pipe, and then fix it inside with a narrower piece of pipe. We got a great homemade file. We'll add such a thread on the cap of the bolt, and then we'll make a hole in the center. Insert a thin drill there and use it as a nozzle. It makes excellent holes for screws. Did you know that with the help of the conventional screwdriver drill, you can even cut such an unusual hole in the wall? The main skill. We put the knife in the basin with sand, carefully take it out with tongs, and a couple of holes with a comb and pour liquid metal. After the solidification, we get a very unusual knife. Separate the hard part from the dish sponge. Gently twist it into a tight tube. Now take a spray gun and insert a piece of tube into the valve. Then we'll make several holes in the tube and insert it back. Pour water and some dishwashing detergent inside. We put everything together and get a very convenient device for washing wheels. Use it. We'll draw a steel beam in this way. Then we'll take metal scissors and start cutting off everything exactly according to our marking. After that, we begin to bend the corners carefully until we finally get an even end. Everything's that simple. To unscrew the stuck bolt, make a small hole in the base and add lubricants there. It will easily come out. If you put pressure on the bolt cap with your finger, then you can use the remaining fingerprint to find a suitable attachment for the wrench and then unscrew the bolt. Isn't it convenient? To combine 2 bars with a piece of wood, we'll cut out such a butterfly from it. Then, we'll make suitable notches in the boards, cover our butterfly with glue, and fasten the boards together. That's it. We'll make a hole in the wall, insert a dowel into it, then take a clamp and insert it into the dowel, fix it with a screw, and get a very convenient attachment for pipes. And if the door is stuck, an ordinary plastic card will help you out. The main thing is to cut it correctly and hold it on the lock tongue. We'll cut out such a wooden plate from the stump, make several round holes in it, cover it with a stain, and get a very stylish homemade egg container.